buy Planet Fitness stock now before it is too late. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, subscribers. Planet Fitness has been aggressively selling off. It almost sold a third of its value during the market sell-off. That's what we're going to be talking about today. What's going on, subscribers? Welcome to a brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a profitable investor in the stock market. Always remember that a wage makes you a living, but profits make you a fortune. So this is what this YouTube channel is dedicated about. If this is your first video, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. That way you do not miss out any amazing videos that will benefit you financially and develop yourself as well. So yeah, and in today's video we have some special affiliate links that I'm going to have in the description for free stocks, free money, such as Webull. They'll actually give you 2 free stocks as soon as you sign up. No reason why not to do it. Doesn't cost you anything. And then for Robinhood, they give you a free stock as well. So free money just by using the links in the description to sign up to use these brokerages. M1 Finance gives you $10 to sign up so that you can get started investing right away. This is a perfect opportunity for you to start. Discover Secured Credit Card, they'll give you a $50 sign-up bonus. This is a card that I use every single day for everyday purchases. Alright, so let's get to the video. So Planet Fitness is one of the most popular gyms out there. They're one of the cheapest as well and the most convenient for normal people that go to the gym. It's kind of like an average gym. But they have some insanely low membership prices monthly. I think you can get in with like $10 a month or $15. And the stock has been selling off massively. So during what was going on right now, nobody's allowed to go out to restaurants, bars, or anything like that. And they also canceled all gyms. So they're legally not allowed to be open during this time. And this caused a lot of people to freak out because they're thinking that they're going to lose customers. But what Planet Fitness did is they freeze the account, so they're actually not going to charge their customers during the days that this stuff is going on, where they're prohibited from going inside and they have it all closed. So this caused a huge sell-off on a wonderful stock that is always making higher highs. As you see, this is a beautiful stock. It's always making higher highs. It almost never goes down in value. This is the first time where we see it massively discounted. And when you get these opportunities, make sure you buy into them, because they can make you a lot of profit. That's what it means to be a swing trader. You take advantage of cheap prices and you sell at the top. That is exactly what I'm doing. That is why I love looking at opportunities like this. And you have to make sure you analyze the stock through its technical analysis and through its balance sheet as well, which I'm going to show you that in a minute. And so yeah, this caused a huge sell-off in the stock. And whenever it's a great company like this that will still continue to exist, it's a good idea to invest in it. And people are not going to stop going to gyms. If anything, they're going to want to go to gyms more once this is all done, because people have been stuck at home, probably not doing much exercise. So this is probably going to be the first thing that they do whenever they let us use the gyms. And most people that go to a gym, they might stop for a few months, like they might cancel the membership, but most of the time they'll join back. And having a gym membership, it's kind of like passive income for Planet Fitness, because you'll pretty much be there for life if you think about it. Nobody really cancels their gym membership unless they're just going to switch to another gym membership. Health is something that's very important, and people are realizing that if they do not exercise, they're going to start to gain a lot of weight and not look as great. So they will still continue to use gyms no matter what. The balance sheet kind of surprises me, because I usually compare total assets versus total liabilities. But for some reason, Planet Fitness shows more liabilities than they do assets. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this doesn't seem right. But it might be that just they use more debt than normal. So at this point, this company uses more debt than they have in assets. But it's still a great company because you see it overall uptrending, but there is that financial risk, because as you saw there, they do have more liabilities than assets. I usually don't invest in companies that don't have more assets and liabilities. It's just kind of like a no for me. But Due to its technical analysis and the strong company and the brand, I think it's a great investment and pretty safe for you to make some quick money while the market recovers. But also play it safe. Always have cash on the side because the market could continue to sell off. We don't know how it's going to end up, but just play it smart, play on the defense. So yeah, and always do your own due diligence. Don't just invest in stocks because I'm recommending them. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Do your own research as always, because your losses are not going to be my losses and your profits are not going to be my profits. So if we look at the Planet Fitness stock now, it's up $50. I recorded the earlier part of this video earlier, like 2 days ago, and ever since then we've been seeing this stock uptrend. So yeah, just like I'm saying, it's a perfect opportunity for you to get in. What are you waiting for? It's quick money, a safe company, and pretty much a company that will not go bankrupt. They won't be out of business. They will continue to thrive. Alright, so there we go, subscribers. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it and found it of value. Make sure you comment down below if you believe Planet Fitness is a great investment. Are you personally investing in Planet Fitness? Let me know. I'm very curious on your opinion of this stock. Also, let me know your number one stock that you're investing in right now. I know VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500, is definitely must buy because it's the 500 biggest companies of the United States and it's very cheap. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.